Man, it absolutely sucks out here today. But we're still here doing it. No excuses, no slowdown. I'm out here hiking until there's snow on the ground. And then I'll give up. Then it's treadmills in the gym from here on out. But for now, fresh air. I ain't gonna get no D today, I don't think. Vitamin D. There's no sun. Get your mind out the gutter. This ain't OnlyFans. Well, I did say rain or shine, didn't I? It's not my favorite place out here right now. But we're still here. We're still going. We're going to sweat some bacon off today. Gonna get hydrated whether we like it or not. But, whoo, let's keep it going. Man, I am damp in the places you don't want to be damp. This umbrella ain't doing shit. Big man, high cal, got an umbrella. Got so fat, had to skip the Nutella. I should make a SoundCloud. No, that's a terrible idea. You know what? I'm just gonna skip it and go straight to OnlyFans. $9.99. Watch over, see me, bend me, tell. Man, it sucks out here. Whew. Well, we did it. Session 1 done anyway. Got out here. Beautiful day, tell you what. Love it. Fantastic environment. Can't wait to come out for session 2 later. I'm going to be a grump.